Welcome to Talent Tuesday with my good friend Marie-Louise of Marie-Louise Art and myself. If you missed her wonderful creation, her premiere video link will be in my description below. Make sure you check it out. Welcome back to Kim's Art Alchemy. I have this flower mold, not exactly sure what it's called, from Julie Cut's Pouring Your Heart Out eBay store. I mixed up 3 ounces of Bond Craftor resin, and I used my fabulous dual head resin mixer to get that all mixed up. Popped it in my debubble machine, and the temperature got up to 35 degrees Celsius. I decanted 25 grams of resin in here, and as you can see, I put 3 drops in of Julie's bloom paste. I think she said that she's out of the bloom paste on Amazon, but it is available still in her eBay store if you want to pick some up. All right, so I'm going to mix this. I'm going to put it in my piping bag. And as you see here in front, I've got all kinds of colors, almost a rainbow of colors. And they are all by Decor ROM, with the exception of Dandelion, which is by Ranger, because I was out of my yellow from the Decor ROM range. It's a good thing I've got several different types of alcohol inks that I can pull from. So I'm going to give this a good mix, and I'll go through my colors. As you saw, that first one by Ranger is Dandelion. I've got Fuchsia, Tangerine, Lavender, Blueberry, and Turquoise. Okie dokie. So I've got my skewer. It is a seasoned skewer, so the inks will come off of it easily and into the resin where it's supposed to be. Oh, look at that. There's a bubble. Get out. Get out. Okay, so I've got my tile that I'm working on, so if I've got drips, I can remove them. I'm just planning on dotting here, there, and everywhere, just randomly. Hopefully I don't seal up my my mold, my inks. Alright, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to put you all on a fast forward here.
I don't have to look no further, 'cause I've reached my destination. I used to be lost, but now I'm found. As long as I know that you'll be around, I don't have to keep on searching. I'm right where I wanna be. I used to be so sad, now I'm glad I found something I never had, and I'm ready.
All right, here we go, and I still don't even know what I'm gonna do here. What kind of patterns? There we go. All right, let's just start, shall we?
I don't have to look for a purpose, 'cause I'm right where I need
I don't know, I've got a feeling this could be a little blobby. So I think I'm just gonna leave them like that and see what happens. And come back and do a second layer of more of that. I'm back. I mixed up another 3 ounces of resin, and then I hauled out this little piggy in Lily Pad and this little piggy in Black Forest, and I'm going to do 1 and 1 and mix them in. Guess what time it is? Demolding time. So I'm wondering just how blobby the other side is, but we will discover it together. But this is a very cute hibiscus mold. I should really tape this heat mat down so it doesn't move around so much. Keep thinking about it and then the idea escapes me. Okay, let's do it. It's not blobby. It's so cute. Oh, okay. So what do you guys think of this kind of mottled background on this? I actually think it's pretty cool. Oh, that turned out really cute. Yep, I like it. Let's bring you down for that close-up. Look at them. You can get a better view of kind of that mottled green. I like it. I have to say, I do like it a lot. So there are all the little flowers, the little blossoms, creating my confetti looking cupcake bouquet. That is such a cute name. Cupcake Bouquet. And I do like the layers. You can kind of see where I've added other ones in behind. Yeah, all in all, I would say this is a winner. Let me know your thoughts. What would you do differently? Let me know in the comments below. I want to thank Marie-Louise, as always, for being my wonderful Talent Tuesday partner. And if you missed her video, make sure you click on the link below. It'll take you straight to her video. And we will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.